How's it going, everybody? It's another awesome day here in Japan. Today, just gonna go for a bike ride. This is my bike right here. This is what I got. It's pretty quick. I got the GoPro mounted to my bag there. Just gonna ride around town, and then after we get probably out to the waterfront, we'll have a conversation about all the new rules Japan has, so why I haven't really uploaded any videos lately. So let's go for a ride, and we're gonna ride out to where the Toys R Us is out here. So let's go. That's always so much fun to ride through town and just haul over here to get out to the waterfront. Like I don't know if you guys remember my video, Shirashima Island over there, Monkey Island also known as. They got a skate park right over here, and then there's a bicycle BMX bike jump area over there too. And then right behind me is the Toys R Us. I'll show you the front of the building so you can see the Toys R Us. But let me give you an update why I haven't been able to do a whole lot lately. The government of Japan has put a travel restriction pretty much to the country of Japan, and they declared a state of emergency for 11 prefectures. So since I'm here for work, I'm under work control. I'm not a tourist, so unfortunately I'm not allowed to ride any trains or take public transportation. Hence why I'm out here riding the bike today. So that's a little bummer. So we won't know any updates until February 7th. I believe the Japanese Prime Minister said that's their reevaluation timeline. That's why we haven't been able to go do anything. Also, you should check out that video of that island that I went to. It was pretty amazing. Let's see what else is going on. Working. Obviously, I'm here for work. And then not a whole lot. Nothing's really open for us to go to, and we're just gonna be waiting until they allow everything. But I watch these guys out here fish. Like that guy right there has I believe it's 12-foot fishing pole. It's just so cool. When they whip that thing, it's so loud. I come out here a lot. This is one of my favorite places to go. Yeah, this weekend I had plans to go to Matsumoto Castle, the Snow Monkeys. I made plans for this weekend. Unfortunately, like I said, no travel, and that would take a long time to get there on that. So cool to see out here. Let me go show you the front of the building where the Toys R Us is. I'm not going to go inside the store, but I will at least show you. It's ran by Toys R Us Canada. That's all I found out so far. And there it is, all the way in Japan. You still go to Toys R Us. I went in there, I don't know, about week or two ago, and I got some stuff so I can send home a package to my son and my daughter, and you know, just little toys and stuff they can play with from here. Most of the toys there though are just like back in America when we had a Toys R Us. But yeah, that place to rent out of Canada. And then this whole area is a skate park, and then like I said, the BMX bike area is right there. So now I'm just gonna go ride around and look at the area, maybe film a little bit more on the GoPro before the battery dies, and then see if I remember anything else that's going on in the near future. Check out that sunset, looking so good. Obviously I'm back in my room now. Some close calls out there on that ride in. Oh man, people just come out the door and you're riding here can be a bit dangerous. Also thought about a couple other things. There is a curfew here. It's recommended per the Japanese government, 8 p.m. or 2000 if you do military time. So that's also happening. So all these restaurants and everything down below usually are closed before then. There's literally a bar right down there from me, and they close at like 7:30 just to be in that timeline. They're not required to, but it is recommended. And so, like I said, there's not a whole lot I can do here while I am here right now. Hopefully in February that changes. I might get some time off, be able to go do those places I've talked about before. And obviously I want to get back out and get going because I've been bored. And video games and movies can only last so long before you're just like, you know, I'm in Japan, I'm trying to have some fun. But that sunset right now, I mean, come on, that is so good looking. That's awesome. Other things going on right now, just travel restrictions and stuff like that. Oh, I just got told that when I come back to America, I have to get the COVID test again, because that is a new CDC requirement to re-enter the US. I'll tell you now, I've had it. It was not fun, and they go way up there with the long Q-tip swab, so that was an experience. We'll just call it an experience. Sorry, I can't get over this, like, this night, like, it's really nice out tonight. Besides that, there's not much more to talk about, so I want to thank you all for watching again. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support of all of you, and it's free to do. There's no charge. And eventually, when restrictions are lifted, you're going to want to see more of this wonderful country of Japan. With me, maybe. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.